Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the boys from Convoy Home Loans, and they have promised me a brand new, super exciting, once in a lifetime, brand new lending program. I know nothing about it, but I'm trying to keep the bar really, really low, obviously. I'm excited to hear what you guys have to say because you brought out some great stuff. That 85% CLTV loan last week I thought was fire. So I look forward to seeing what we got this time. So Dustin, Jonathan, welcome. What do you got?
Yeah. So I think the best way to call it is it's a non-QM qualifying type loan with a bank type rate, very similar to the one that we spoke about. I think it was 2 or 3 weeks ago. So what it is it's a low leverage non-QM loan, which is not the norm.
Mhm.
But it is a product that requires no income, no verification whatsoever on both owner occupied and non-owner occupied, so investment or seconds, right?
Okay.
It's like a
All right.
stated income, but we're actually not going to calculate any sort of DTI. Okay, what
Okay.
we're looking at rates wise, that's what I know everybody probably wants to hear. Um, we've got a 3-1 and a 5-1. The 3-1's going to start at 5.99. The 5-1's going to start at 6.25. If you want something that's fixed, we got a 15-year fix that's at 6.25 as well. Just the amortization's obviously over 15 years.
Oh, okay. Well, let me pick my jaw off the ground. Um, I didn't think we would see lending products with a five on it for at least a year. You guys created this program before the crazy day this morning, which we will talk about in video number two. Um, so let's clean up some vocabulary. So Jonathan, when we say it's a non-QM product with bank rates, break that down for some folks that may not know what a non-QM versus a bank loan is. Kind of break down the vocabulary.
Yeah, I mean, usually if we're thinking about the banks, we're talking about, the top tier rates, right? Private client rates, not for like normal conventional stuff, but that people with a lot of money get access to, right? Because people with $1 million in the bank get better rates than someone with, 20 grand. So
Oh,
bank type rates are those where it's the lowest of the low, to the point where a lot of banks are willing to take a loss on their clients to get, to give them best rates. And then non-QM obviously is anything that's not conventional FHA, VA. So we have come up with a product that's non-QM with bank type rates. Obviously, we're talking like 6.25, which is, insane to even come out of our mouths, because that's
yeah.
That's what the banks are giving right now on, premium clients with millions and millions of dollars in the bank.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, when I hear this program to try to translate it for someone, this is how my simple mind is, right? There's a whole mortgage industry where Fannie and Freddie kind of play at the upper echelons. And I have Matt the mortgage guy on every Wednesday, right? And essentially what his team does is they try to do cookie cutter residential loans. And it really is, hey, push a button and you get a yes or no answer. It's conforming, right? You check all of these boxes. And because you check all of these boxes, the rates are the lowest, right? Least risk, lowest price. And what you have just brought to me, it appears, is the flexibility of non-QM, right? I don't check all the boxes. I run my business. My income is, all over the place. It's hard to document, whatever it is. So you're giving me the flexibility and really for the first time the potential to have the best of both worlds with the rate, because historically non-QM has always been plus a half. When the times get scary, it's plus a point, plus a point and a quarter. um so I got to just ask some follow-up questions. Is there a minimum loan amount?
No minimum loan amount. Well, pardon me, it's 100K on a
Okay, so
minimum loan.
that's okay. So it's
Yeah,
not 500 grand
no.
Right.
minimum. So okay, minimum loan amount's 100 grand. Minimum LTV, or maximum LTV, I should say.
So it's 70% up to, I think, 2.5 mil, right,
Okay.
Dustin? On
It's
owner occupied.
70% for owner occ,
Yeah.
65% for non-owner occ
Yeah.
on
Not
purchases.
hor Yeah, not horrible. So obviously residential, we've hit that. Could we do 5 and above, or is this only residential?
1 to 4 only.
Okay, that's all right. And this obviously seems to be purchase, but what about refi? Or, loan rate and term, or even cash out?
I
So
think we're
rate terms the same,
yeah, yeah.
but
I
refi
guess-
cash out, we're going to be capped at 50 and 55. So the cash out, we're not going to get, too much.
Okay. But
You
we
gotta
could
have
do rate and term.
rate and term and purchase. I think it's going to be great for those essentially, investors that are okay with putting 35 down. Because right
Yeah.
now we're at 25 or 30. And you can get something, like we said, that actually has a 5 in front of it.
Yeah, well, a couple of videos ago or a couple of weeks ago, we were doing videos about people got caught in hard money loans. I got to tell you, if you're in a 12% hard money loan and you're running out of your duration and you want to keep the property because you want to wait for the market to come back for next summer, this is a great rate and term. I'm going to guess there's a 1-year prepay, just a wild ass guess.
No prepay.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Well, that's even better.
It's almost
Okay.
worth it for clients, like you said, on the rate and term to bring, like, even if it's if you're at 80 or 85 and you put all this money into fixing it up, it's almost worth it for you just to bring the 10 to 15 just to get
Well,
program.
hopefully you've created the value. I mean, geez.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of people are stuck. I'm seeing a lot of people stuck, and they're at 85%, 80%, and then they're having to bring a bunch of money to the table to make it.
There's a lot of people that got sucked into the sexiness of Burr, and now they're looking at this. This could be an answer to get out, at least to buy time.
Yeah. And then state-wise, though, there is limitations on state. I want to make sure we're clear on that because we're gonna get blown up on states. So it's it's California, Illinois, Massachusetts, Maryland, Nevada, New York, New Jersey, Texas, and Washington. That's it. Those are
So what is that? 10 states, 12 states? What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 9 states.
Okay, 9 states. So again, that's where the property is located, not the borrower.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
599. Wow. It's funny. In another video with a real estate broker, actually Brian Lebo, there's no reason to hide it. Brian Lebo, he and I talked about Vegas the other day. I let him know that, when rates get down to 599 again, buyers are going to come back. I didn't think there would be a lending program that offered that I wasn't thinking until next summer. So you're right. You delivered. I tried to set you up in the beginning, trying to create a high bar, and I think you guys got over it. I got to set the bar higher next time.
Get it while it's hot, because programs are moving so in and out really quick, So when we bring these things out, sometimes it's like, it's here for a month and then rates go up. So we want to definitely, if you have something in the works, in those 9 states, again, it's California, California, Illinois, Massachusetts, Maryland, Nevada, New York, New Jersey, Texas, Washington. Reach out to us ASAP to get something going.
So how do they reach out? Again, you guys are on the network. You guys are helping a lot of people. If you're coming to the event, they're going to see Dustin on Saturday. So come shake his hand, take a picture, get an autograph, something like that. And how do they reach out?
Email private client at
our website, bro.
Oh, website. That's right. Go to our website. Go to our website.
Your website is
convoyhomeloans.com.
Yep. Go to the website. Even if you don't have something, go to the website today. Let them know you came from ORAT. I want to see how many people we can get to blow up their website today. So go to them, reach out, see what's going on. Even if you're not in the 9 states, hopefully you can go back and watch Convoy's playlist. They offer a lot of stuff, 40-year products, all those things. So folks, Convoy Home Loans you're helping people on one rental at a time every month. And I appreciate you. I get great feedback. So keep it up. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.